Welcome to Rasamroads flavorful journey. Today we are going to make spicy chicken tangri kebab in a different way. For that you need chicken leg piece, marinate with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric and salt as per your taste. Marinate it for 30 minutes and then pressurize for 2 to 3 whistles so that our chicken will be tender. Till then, let's make a spicy paste. To enhance the flavor of tangri kebab, all you need is garlic cloves, dried chili, green chili, and some chicken tikka masala and half lemon juice and 4 tablespoons of oil. To enhance its flavor, just grind. Apply the paste to the chicken and fry them till it turns nice reddish color and crispy one. Since from childhood I love eating leg piece. For that, I fought many times with my sister. Seriously. And I get one piece. Today, I can eat two, three pieces. But I cannot feel that happiness and interest now. I know everyone has some story. Let's share some story with comments. Let me check. Okay. Now I think the chicken has been done. Let Wow, it looks so nice and beautiful. Look, the color. Actually, I'm just zooming for you guys. See now. Okay, now the chicken has been done. Let's start plating. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel and like to my video. Thanks for watching.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.